Hey crew, welcome to Lisbon. This is one of my favorite cities, and it's a place I've been a lot, but every once in a while I like to go find some new things, and whenever I do that, I will head over to atlasobscura.com, and they usually have a cool list of things that you can do that not most people do. So I got a couple things on the list today. First is the Santa Justa lift. Coming up here is a great way to get a view of the city, which is what I love to do in almost every city I go to. It's a great way to start that explorer mindset and just kind of orient yourself with the city. Next, I'm going to head over to the Carmo Convent, which is literally right behind me. And in 1755, there was an earthquake that destroyed almost the whole city. And this convent is kind of a remembrance of that. So I'm going to head over there and check that out. Well, that was really pretty. Now I am off to what's going to be probably my favorite part of the day, a place called Pastel de Belém, which is where the famous pastel de nata got its start. And apparently you can get them warm out of the oven, and I have wanted to go there for a really long time, and so it's starting to get a little cloudy and cold, and so I'm going to go over there, get a little warm up. Pastel de Belém was started in 1837. It's the original maker of the pastel de nata, which is the traditional Portuguese dessert. And it's custardy and flaky and super yummy. Man, those pastries were good. I am going to head back to the hotel. It's about to rain here in a little bit, and just chill for the afternoon. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See you next week.